you've got all the equipment. It seems like everything's very, very close to being there. Obviously, you're still doing due diligence, but when do you expect that production to start? What's the guidance there moving forward for the rest of this year?
Yeah, so there are two sets of equipment, one for the concentrate plant, otherwise called the beneficiation plant, and then the others is for the hydromet plant. As far as the concentrate plant is concerned, we are looking to, over the next 12 months, to come to FID and therefore start construction. And as I said earlier in one of our slides, we are looking at a late 2027 production.
Yep.
In terms of the hydromet plant, the hydromet produces the carbonate, and the carbonate is still an intermediate product. It has to be brought into a oxide separation plant in order to get the rare earth oxides like neodymium oxides or praseodymium oxides. So what we have to do is that where will it be best situated? What is the economics? What's the cost? And also the strategy of it, simply because rare earth, as we all understand, is somewhat played into the geopolitical space. And being a geopolitical football, Wailu and ourselves are very careful and very strategic in how best to position this hydromet plant and set ourselves up for a stronger downstream ability to deliver the carbonate into a oxide separation plant. And Neo Performance does have an oxide separation plant in Estonia. And they also have just started to commission their permanent magnet manufacturing plant in Estonia. So we have to weigh a number of options. As I said, we are fully permitted to build the plant in Onslow. We have signed an MOU with the Saudi government in November last year. The Saudi Arabian government is very interested to build a renewable energy industry, whereby rare earth and downstream rare earth production into magnets is one of those parts of that strategy that they have. And so they signed that MOU with us with a very keen interest that we bring the concentrate from Yanjibana to Saudi Arabia, whereby they will help fund the hydromet plant and oxide and then into a magnet facility as well. So there is quite a lot of discussions that will and need to take place, as well as has taken place. And so we need to put all these things together as we once we complete on the joint venture.
Yeah, there's a lot of pieces to the puzzle. A lot of